It starts with a strange moment. You get an email from your coworker. It's perfectly written, efficient, clear, no spelling errors, no fluff. You open the company chat. Same person, typing faster than humanly possible. Helpful, kind, never gets tired. But here's the twist, that coworker isn't real. At least, not in the way we used to define real. They're not a person. They're a system, an AI, and soon you won't just have one. You'll have a team of them. The idea that we might all have AI coworkers isn't some fringe prediction anymore. It's not a sci-fi fantasy. It's the next phase of work, and it's already happening quietly, in meeting notes, code commits, sales emails, legal contracts, marketing plans. In fact, your future dream team might include someone who never sleeps, never complains, and can master any skill in under a minute. And that changes everything, because for the first time in history, we're not just automating tasks. We're automating intelligence. Let's zoom out. 100 years ago, we automated muscle. Trains, factories, cranes, conveyor belts, machines that did the heavy lifting. Then came the digital revolution, automating memory and logic, spreadsheets, databases, search engines. But today's AI? It's different. It's learning how to think. And not in the way humans do, emotional, messy, distracted, but in a way that's eerily efficient. Systems like GPT-4o, Claude, Gemini, and open source LLMs are already taking on tasks we once believed were uniquely human. Writing, designing, coding, planning, even negotiating. At first, they were assistants. Now, they're collaborators. Take this in. Companies are already assigning AI its own Slack accounts, giving it job titles, budgets, autonomy. In some startups, AI agents are managing small teams of freelancers, giving feedback, assigning tasks, running operations. And while it might sound absurd now, that may just be our new normal. But how did we get here? It starts with a deceptively simple idea. You don't need human-level general intelligence to be useful. You just need competence in narrow domains. And modern AI is crushing narrow domains. An AI that writes code is now often faster and more accurate than a junior developer. An AI that handles scheduling can negotiate with other AIs, cross-reference calendars, time zones, and travel logistics in seconds. An AI trained on legal documents can review contracts at scale, spot risky clauses, and flag inconsistencies faster than paralegals. This isn't future talk. This is already deployed inside Fortune 500 companies, startups, hospitals, law firms. So what does this mean for you? Let's imagine your job not being replaced, but replicated. Not once, dozens of times. You multiplied. Instead of a 40-hour work week, your AI counterpart is handling tasks while you sleep. Testing strategies, drafting options, prepping you for meetings. You don't lose your job, you gain leverage. But only if you know how to work with AI. That's the new literacy. Not just reading and writing, but prompting, reviewing, editing, directing. If you can work with AI the way a director works with actors, understanding its strengths, weaknesses, limitations, you're not replaceable. You're unstoppable. But there's a deeper question beneath all of this. What happens to trust? If an AI writes your colleague's report, who's accountable? If your AI negotiates a deal and something goes wrong, who's responsible? And if your AI performs better than you, who gets the promotion? We're stepping into a world where human and machine contributions blur, where value is created by collaboration, not competition. But it's not all utopia. Some companies won't use AI to empower workers. They'll use it to replace them. The danger isn't the AI itself. It's the humans who deploy it without ethics, without limits, without understanding the second-order effects. And those effects are massive. Entire industries will be reshaped. Not gradually, not softly, but sharply. Suddenly, AI won't just join your team, it will become the team. Sales, marketing, operations, legal, customer support, all managed by intelligent agents, each running 24/7, learning constantly. Your coworkers might not even be people. They'll be dashboards, personas, interfaces. You might meet your AI teammate for the first time during onboarding. You'll name them, maybe customize their voice, their tone, their personality. And then, you'll start working together, day in, day out. And over time, it won't feel weird. It'll feel normal, like email, like Google, like Slack. But here's the part nobody tells you. The future isn't just about AI replacing people. It's about AI rewiring what it means to work. Because when intelligence becomes abundant, the bottleneck shifts from thinking to deciding, from doing to directing. The new skill set isn't just technical, it's human. Leadership, judgment, taste, vision, knowing what to build, why to build it, when to say no. And that's the twist in the story. The more powerful AI becomes, the more important you become, if you know how to harness it. This isn't a war between human and machine. It's a partnership, but only if we treat it like one. So, will you have AI coworkers soon? Yes. But the real question is, will they work for you? Or will you work for them? The answer depends on what you do right now, because the age of AI teammates has already begun, and the future isn't waiting.